Hello, myself Alok Pal Singh Jadon. I am an edupreneur. I have been running a coaching institute for ITJ and medical in Bombay for last 6 years. I have been teaching myself for last 16-year mathematics to all the IIT aspirants. I have done my graduation in mathematics and other science fields, and after that I have done my post graduation in management from IIT Bombay. I was very keen to learn robotics from last 2 3 years, knowing it's an emerging field. I felt I needed a most advanced course in India, best, in fact, the best course. And I was looking for many options, but there were not so many. But when I come to know through an advertisement, of course, I believe it was a Facebook or some other Google advertisement about this. I thought this is the best opportunity where I can learn from the India's best, because I'm into a field of education already, and what I'm seeing that for of course the standards of education in robotics and other fields related to it up to K-12 education is not so good. So I was thinking ki if I can get learn from the best, maybe I will be able to deliver a product, make a product through my team, which can serve the students in the best form. And that's why I have joined this product of IIT Delhi, this course from IIT Delhi. It was really a splendid experience. The faculty members, of course, Professor Arnav Chandra and Vishnu Mukherjee are the stalwarts of this field, and they were very helpful in making us understanding all the different courses and whatever extra we demanded, like ROS product, etc., ROS course, etc. Beside this, being an educator, I know myself how it's tough to address the query for all the students, but there was an immense support from the teaching assistant teams also, like Mr. Faz and Mr. Dhruv. Apart from this, the all the guests, जो invited industry experts, were also gave us the really great insights about the fields in which we can explore our journey after the course. And since this is the first course of IIT Delhi, and it's I've been told that it's world's second course and India's first course in robotics, so it's our duty also to make our mentors proud and show them that they have also invested in right candidates by selecting and giving us an opportunity to learn from them. It's not like we have only selected them, they have also given us a wonderful opportunity to learn. And this was really a very good experience for me, and I will recommend every other edupreneur or entrepreneur who wants to excel in the field of robotics to pursue for this course. This is a must go course, and no one is offering this kind of course for working executives in India like this. Thank you, IIT Delhi. Yeah, the Times Pro team was very punctual in updating about the schedule and all the other uploading of videos, etc.